All right, guys, just a quick video to go over today's questions. Today, you only have to do questions 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then you can stop. If you would like to do questions 6, 7, and 8 because you're feeling like you need some more math, then you go for it and do 6, 7, and 8. But I'm just going to ask you to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 today. All right, at the top of the page, they give you some information to talk about how multiplication, 2 times 5 equals 10, is related to division. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So they just kind of go over that. So you have a picture of this in your in the pictures that I took that are just below the YouTube video. Actually, I think they're on top of the YouTube video. Anyhow, question 1. This is very straightforward. Write a multiplication and a division problem for each picture. Now, I don't want a problem. I just want the number sentence. So you've got 3 balls sitting in 3 containers. What's the multiplication sentence? Something times something equals 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Something equals 9. And then write the division sentence. 9 divided by something equals something. Do it for the pens and do it for these hands. Now these hands, I believe that what they really want you to look at is that on each hand there are 5 fingers. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 hands with 5 fingers. So 4 times 5. Okay, that's a big clue for you. The next page, we've got a couple problems. Teo bought some packs of collector's cards. Each pack holds 5 cards. There are 25 cards altogether. How many packs did he buy? So we know he bought 25 cards, and each package has 5 cards. So this sounds like a division question. So you have to take those 25 cards, put them into packages of 5, and see how many packages you end up with. I would draw a picture for that, and then write the division sentence. 25 divided by 5 equals what? Question 3. Write the related number sentences for each set of numbers. A, you've got a 3, a 5, and a 15. So you have to write me a multiplication sentence with those 3 numbers, and you have to write me a division sentence with those 3 numbers. And do that for each set. All right, question 4. Sean bought 4 submarine sandwiches. He cut each sandwich into 3 pieces. Then Sean and his 2 friends shared the sandwiches equally. How many pieces did each person get? Oh boy, you're going to have to draw some pictures for this because this problem has multiplication and division in it. So the first part is the multiplication. Sean bought 4 submarine sandwiches. Draw those 4 sandwiches. He cut each sandwich into 3 pieces. So I would take 4 sandwiches. I would draw those 4 sandwiches. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says he cut each one into 3 pieces. Aha. Now we can see how many pieces he had. He's got 4 by 3. 4 by 3. 4 times 3. He's got 12 pieces. So 4 times 3 equals 12. We know that he has 12 pieces right now. But he's going to share with 2 friends. So there's going to be, how did he spell his name? Sean. So there's going to be Sean. There's going to be friend number 1. And there's going to be friend number 2. There's 12 pieces. We figured that out already. How many does each friend get? How many does each person get? So you have to take those 12, divide it out into here. Get rid of all 12 pieces into here. So you're going to go 12 divided by 1, 2, 3 equals, how many does each friend get? Okay, so I pretty much solved all that for you, but just an idea of what we're looking for. 5, this is the last question. Dana's dog is 20 kilograms. That means that's a weight. That's how much the dog weighs. It is 4 times as heavy as it was as a puppy. What was the mass of Dana's dog when it was a puppy? So how much did the dog weigh when it was a puppy? So you have to go back and think. Yeah, you know, you might want to use division. You might want to use repeated subtraction. The dog weighed 20 kilograms. It weighs 20 kilograms right now. And they're saying it's 4 times as heavy as it was when it was a puppy. So you could say 20 divided by 4 equals what? What does it equal? And to figure that out, you draw a picture of 20 placed into 4 groups, right? Sort out 20 items into 4 groups, you'll get your answer. Or do repeated subtraction. 20 take away 4 equals 16. Take away 4 equals 12. How many times do you have to take away 4 before you get to 0? And that's how many 20 divided by 4 is. So there's 2 ways to figure it out. All right, I hope that helps you out. That's all you have to do. Take a picture of your work when you're done and send it to me. Good luck.